Hello guys, this is Blog, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scrap Google Maps data using Octoparse. It's a powerful web scraping tool that you can use to scrap leads from Google Maps. So in this video I will show you step-by-step tutorial on how you can achieve that. So let's start. First of all, we will click on custom task and make your new task. From here we will choose anything. For in this example I'm using barbers in New York, so to scrap this data I will copy the link from here above the Google Maps link, go to Octoparse, paste the link here and click on save. After clicking on save, I'm gonna wait until it's fully loaded. Once it's fully loaded, I will increase the timeout to 300 seconds and click on apply, and then wait and click on save. After that, we will need the data from here, of course. So what we will do is click on here, click loop item, click on loop, and change this to variable list. Now I'll show you the XPaths that I made for Google Maps. This I will share in the description below, so you can copy it. So first we will use this loop item XPath. We will go ahead and paste it out. Here we will click on apply and click on save. Got it. And now you will see from here it will detect all the data from here that we need, and it will also exclude the sponsored leads because we do not need the sponsored leads. Now we will click on here and we will need the text, so we will click on text and this will be our title, so we'll name it as title. We will now need how much years it has been in business, so let's suppose we need this. Now it will scrape this data. Okay, also it will scrape this New York, United States, where the location is. Don't worry, I will sort this out, how do you do that. For that you will clean the data, you will go ahead, match with regular expressions and go to regex. After that we will use this point to end the data because we do not need this address, we will scrap it in another column. We will click on generate, click on match, and you will see we will only get this result. Click on confirm and here we get it, and we will click on apply. Now you will see we only get this box. Here you can see. Okay, now from there we also may need this stars. How many rating is this? So we will name it as star ratings. After doing that, you will have the star ratings as well. Now we want to scrap the data what's inside, right? So what we need to do is click here, click on click element, and make sure that click element is set to relative X part of the loop item because we want to click on each loop item. Go ahead and click on options, increase the timeout to maybe 4 seconds, click on apply and then click on save. Also make sure to not tick the open the new tab because then it won't work. Now we will click on plus, we will click on extract data, and then we will click on options and we will increase its timeout to at least 2 or 3 seconds. 3 seconds good if you can do it. Then click on save. Now we will just need to paste our data, the XPath that we made. Now we need the phone number, right? So we will copy this XPath. We'll go to Octoparse, we'll click on add custom field, capture data on the page. We click, it will be default, it will set to relative XPath to loop item, but we will set it to absolute XPath. Now we will click on and click paste here our cell phone XPath here. Now we will name it as phone and number. So when we click on confirm, you will see that we will only get this phone number data, right? Also we will need other data, so we will go ahead and click on website URL. So I will just do that. I may speed this up. So absolute XPath, click on here website. So here I will click on website and we will get the website. Now for this we have to like click here and then customize field and then click on select URL to get the URL because we need the website URL. So here you can see we can get the website URL. Now after that we will go ahead and click the address that I was telling you about. Go ahead and scrap this, go to Octoparse add capture data on the page, click on absolute XPath and then address. After clicking on address, we will get the address here. Okay, and I think we have the data, but if you want to add more items, for example hours, operating hours, you can also add this here. These are the custom XPaths, and also one thing more, this might change in the future, so you have to keep updating it. Okay, location hours, I will deny your time, location hours. Okay, so it will also scrap this location hours, how many time it's open. Now if you want to, for example, scrape more items from here, you can also do that, but for this sample, let's 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 suppose we need this, but I think we need for XPath. But I will if you want that, you can let me know in the comment sections and I will provide you XPath for all of the other items that you may need. For this sake of this video, we will just keep scraping these items. Anyways, so the loop item is complete. Now we need to use the pagination. For pagination, we click here, click on loop, click next page. Okay, on loop click next page, we will click on save it, so it will go to the next page. But for that, we will need to copy our XPath for the pagination XPath. Okay, pagination XPath, we will go click on this pagination tab and then click this and apply here. This will properly ensure that the board is like properly clicking on next page and going to the next page. This will also, you can see 20 leads here, all the 20 leads will get selected, and now if you check the next page, it will work properly. So that is really it, guys. Now let's check if it works. So I'm gonna name it at Google Maps bot, and if we run it, you will see that it will start working fine. So I will share you the data here, and for example, if you want to change the URLs for new, for example, I mean plumbers in New York, you can just type it here, plumbers in New York, for example, and you can get the new URL that you can just copy here and click on Octoparse and click on go to web page and paste here to get the new URLs. So let's check it here. So as you can see, guys, it's working really fine. It's scraping all the phone number from other leads, website, address, location, hours. So it will continue doing that to the till all the pages. So I may speed up this process. Here we go. Now if we open the file, you will see all the data. So guys, this is it. I think you get the idea how to make this, and if you have any web scraping request, you can contact me. I have given my email below in the description. You may contact me for any web scraping request. I can scrape any website and work with you. So thank you for watching and have a